Wikidonist.com. Truth about tooth.
Dental crowns are one of the most common dental procedures. It is actually done to strengthen the tooth, or if it is a broken tooth, we have to restore that tooth using a crown. So what happens in a dental crown is we actually prepare all around the tooth and even on the top of the teeth, so that it is made stronger and it is made a little more tougher for the bites to happen. So there are different reasons why we do dental crowns. There are types of dental crowns which has already been dealt before. So please watch my videos. Please subscribe my videos. If you have not watched the types of crowns, especially, please watch it to understand more about the different types of materials, different types of crowns and things like that. Thank you very much for watching me. So now, today we will talk about what all are the procedures in a dental crown preparation. As you can see, first thing what we do is actually to prepare around the tooth. So now then there is a question, why are you grinding the tooth off? So first thing is to make it parallel to each other. All the sides has to be parallel to each other for the smooth seating of the crown. Otherwise, if the crown is very large, it will look very bad, ugly. So it has to be the same size of the tooth after we finish the procedure. So we have to prepare the tooth around the tooth. We have to get a margin. We need to make it tapered so that it is just a 5-degree taper, or at least kept as parallel to each other, so that there is a snug fit on the tooth. So that is why we do a preparation around the tooth. We remove all the caries, we remove all the infected material and things like that, and we make a margin so that the crown is extended to a specified area. So once this is done, then we make an impression. There may be two impressions. If it is a live tooth, then we need to make it give you a temporary crown. So we might do a 2 impressions or at least 1 impression. We have to make an impression on the upper tooth also if you are doing on the lower, or vice versa. So that is also possible. So first we make the impression, we send it to the lab, and then if you have to get a temporary crown, we do it in-house. We usually do it in-house. So we can do a temporary crown in the mouth or outside in the clinic lab itself, and then we seat it. And once the permanent tooth comes, then what happens is, once again we clean the whole area, remove the temporaries if it is there, remove all the cement, everything, clean it up, and then we load this crown with a permanent cementation for the crown. So for the cementation, we use a cement, different types of cements are used, and then we place it into your mouth, and when we press it and make the occlusions correct, we polish it and finish it, and then you can use the crown for quite a long time. I have personally seen crowns last for 30 or 40 years, and I have a lot of cases which is having no problems at all. Maximum what you can have is actually a gingival recession, which can happen to your normal teeth. So there is no reason why you should not do a crown if there is a need arises. It is usually done to correct any discoloration, or if there is a broken teeth, if it is a root canal treated teeth, or not all root canal treated teeth has to go for a crown, but if it is weak, if it is having a large cavity and things like that, then you can go for a crown. Sometimes it is done for aesthetic purposes also. So keep on watching. Please understand about different procedures, different ways of doing different procedures and things like that. Please keep on watching. Please subscribe me. Please press that bell button so that you will get personal messages whenever I am uploading a new video. Please keep on, continue the support which you are giving me, and please send it across to all your friends. I am also there on Facebook and Instagram as Wikidontist. So please look into all those things and share it in that platform also. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Thomas Nechipadam from Nechipadam Dental at Marine Drive, Cochin.
Wikidonist.com. Truth about tooth.